Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are. We've come into Morgan Park to see what a non-turbo Falcon does. There is currently some non-turbo Falcons out, and it's not looking too promising, but look, I've got the fam out, and I brought Dazza out. We're going to see what it does, but to find out if it's worthwhile bringing out all the beaters to Morgan Park. There's 3 courses running today, so 3 courses. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, look, so today's full serious face. So basically the first B course, I think they call it at Morgan Park. So obviously I can initiate and get around turn 1 and 2. Turn 3, obviously not enough ponies. First gear's too short. But you click it in the second gear and then you just throw it as hard as you can over the hill, and it's good times, yeah boys. Alright, due to my morning having to get cut short because the little ones are going a bit rogue, but basically up where that 180 is, there, that's where the party happens. I may still end in times, but basically the AU, right where the Skyline is right now, you flick it in second, hold it flat all the way around the turn, and click it back to first, and then as you come, that's the turn, come around, come up the hill, keep it all in second. This middle course, nothing. That's nothing to do with the track. Yeah, we got. Yeah, so as you come up, you flick up the top there, right up near that tower. Full berries, which you guys seen, so that's where the party run happens. But we've got Jordan with another car. 31's too slow, but I think pretty sure he's done more laps than the 31 in this 34 since been here. But new car, thanks. Yeah, so the AU goes alright. The back course, you literally just leave it in first gear. It's all mungies. So the C circuit, I just mungied the whole thing. Just that was actually a bit of fun. It could work with like a bunch of guys. Big course, definitely a bit of work for it, but definitely doable. So I think it'll work. We're just gonna find our form for it, and I think we definitely have to come back with the boys and all of us and hit it up with the auto cars. Obviously a turbo car will do it fine. NA Auto also does it well because I killed the thighs. Dead. So as I was saying, the back track down here is some sort of V8 thing, giving it a good old crack. But down here, so this reverse actually works out all right. So I kept it in first gear. Apologies, I didn't really footage because it was on my own. It's on nuts. Basically, first gear, the whole thing, all the like I could click it in the second, but I feel like it would just be too jolly, working the box too hard. So Auto Falcon out here, I don't know with obviously no knuckles, but it is a bit of fun. So if you're in the Warwick area where Morgan Park is, you definitely will be able to do some drifting here in the dry. In the wet, obviously no problem. But in the dry on this back course, not a problem. So hope that kind of helps people, because obviously the main reason was to come out here to see how this would all go, and if it's even doable, and if it would be even fun for us to come out here. Personally, coming here on my own again, I wouldn't do it in Dazza, but see, the turb's definitely a lot of fun, heavy on the tyres, but as a group, 100%, so that's a win for me.